Cue the hustle and bustle of life, but let's not forget the importance of healthy eating. Welcome to Quick and Delicious. 5 lunches in 50 minutes for busy moms. Weekday meal prep made easy. Imagine this, a medley of fresh ingredients, from chicken breast to mixed veggies, brown rice, whole wheat wraps, and more. All prepped and ready to transform into a week's worth of lunches in just under an hour. Kick off the week with a zesty chicken wrap. Spiced chicken, fresh veggies, and a dash of sauce, all tucked into a whole wheat wrap. Monday's lunch, check. Tuesday brings a vibrant veggie and quinoa salad, packed with nutrients, flavor, and ready in a flash. By Wednesday, you're in need of some comfort food. Stir-fried chicken and veggies served over a bed of brown rice does the trick. Thursday calls for a refreshing chickpea and cucumber salad, simple to mix, dress, and pack. End the week on a high note with turkey and cheese roll-ups accompanied by a side of fresh fruits. Fun, tasty, and super quick to make. There you have it, 5 lunches, ready for the week ahead in less than an hour. Remember, planning ahead saves time, stress, and ensures you're nourishing your body with wholesome foods. Enjoyed the meal prep challenge? Keep the culinary adventure going with more quick and easy recipes. Until next time.